browser extension makes Mindstone faster and easier to use. To install, click Get the extension on your workspace page, and you'll be taken to the extension store for your browser. Now click Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox and wait until the installation is complete. At this point, it's ready to use. However, you may need to pin the extension in Chrome or add it to the visible toolbar in Firefox to have it immediately accessible. Click to expand the toolbar area, then either pin it from the list in Chrome or click Customize Toolbar in Firefox and drag it out of the overflow menu. Now, whenever you see an article you want to add, click the button in your browser and choose Open in Mindstone. If you don't have time to read the article now, click Save for later, and it will be saved to your workspace for when you have time. If you have multiple workspaces, use the drop-down arrow to choose the workspace you want to open or save your article in. The extension also notifies you when new comments or content have been added to your shared workspaces. Look for a number next to the bell icon. Try the extension today. It will make using Mindstone even faster and easier.